All right, so let's understand what is number categorization and how to categorize numbers and why is it important? Because numbers come in different shapes and forms and uh, you know different types, and it's important to categorize them just so that they don't get mixed up. So first of all, we're going to talk about numbers that we use in our everyday life, which are called whole numbers, right? So first category is of whole numbers. So these are commonly used in our everyday life. So this is the first category. And what numbers do we use in our everyday life? We start with 0, we use 1, we use like 10, we use like 24, we use like 47, we use like 108, and so on. It's just an example of numbers that I've just put here. Basically, all the positive numbers, including 0, are the whole numbers, right? And then we come to the a set called integers, right? In which we use all the positive numbers, but also all the negative numbers, like negative 104, like negative 50, like negative 7, like negative 1, 0, uh, 10, 28, whatever. So all the negative and positive numbers are called integers. So you can see that not all the integers are whole numbers because it also includes negative numbers, but all the whole numbers are called integers, right? So this is the concept of whole numbers and integers. So in the next video, we'll be talking about the next category of numbers, which is rational numbers and irrational numbers.